Aquí vamos a practicar usando los pronombres de objetos directos o direct object pronouns. So if I'm wanting to rewrite this sentence using a direct object pronoun, I'm going to start off the same way because the person performing the action or the people performing the action is not going to change. So I'm still going to use Gustavo y Hector. The verb is not going to change either, but I need to figure out what my direct object is. So here I've got my verb confirman, and I need to see what are they confirming. And here I can see that it is the reservations. So if I'm looking at las reservaciones, this las is going to help me out quite a bit. Okay, so it shows me that it's plural and feminine, which means I want to look at this las here. So if you remember right, that's what we want to put before the verb because there's only one verb. So Gustavo y Hector las confirman. So the way my verb is conjugated is not going to change because it's still Gustavo and Hector that are confirming the reservations. This las now replaces las reservaciones and means them. So in English it would be like saying Gustavo y Hector or Gustavo and Hector confirm them. Okay, so if we're doing this number 2, this nosotros is not going to change. Then I got to figure out what my direct object is. Here I've got los folletos. Since it has los, that tells me it's masculine and plural, which means I want to use los. So I'm going to put los and then conjugate the verb. And notice that the verb again did not change from this sentence to this sentence. On number 3, Ana Maria, that's still the person that is performing the action. Then I've got to figure out what my direct object is, which is el mapa. And since I see that it's el, that tells me it's masculine and singular. So I'm going to be looking at the singular side over here. And lo is going to be my masculine form. So I'm going to say Ana Maria lo estudia. Again, verb conjugation does not change because it's still Ana Maria that is studying. But what she is studying no longer says the map, it is it. Okay. 4, yo aprendo los nombres. So I'm still going to use yo. And then I've got this. All of that goes together. Okay, the names of the monuments of San Jose. But instead of saying that whole phrase, I want to simplify it and just say them. So I can just use los aprendo. And that one word replaces all of this. Okay, or all of this. There we go. Okay. Alicia escucha a la profesora. Alicia la escucha. Okay. So that's what I want to do for these. Okay. So for this assignment, you're going to need to do this same type of thing. You're going to take the sentence and rewrite it using the direct object pronoun. So here I use la instead of la profesora. Okay. Now, if you have one that has 2 verbs, okay, so Miguel va a escribir las instrucciones para ir al hotel, I can do it 2 different ways. I can say Miguel va a escribir las with that pronoun attached to the infinitive, or I could say Miguel las va a escribir. Because either one will work because I have 2 verbs. So va and escribir. When I'm just rewriting things, again, I'm not going to change my verb phrase at all. This va a escribir needs to stay together. I don't put anything between the va a and escribir. Okay? So the pronoun has to go either before the very first verb or attached to the second verb.